Imagine a treehouse with a secret password on the door. You whisper it and you're in. But what if a sneaky kid hides in the bushes, hears your secret word and later sneaks in pretending to be you? So that secret word is exactly what a password is. You pick one, the website remembers it, and every time you visit you both need to know the same word. If two people share a secret, though, a secret can slip out. Now that a secret must be shared, it can be stolen. A thief might peek while you type, trick you with a fake door, or break into the website's notebook where all the secrets are written down. One leak, and your word is out. But it gets worse. Most people use the same word for many doors because who can remember dozens? So if a thief learns one secret, they can try it on your games, your email, and your bank, opening every door at once. So how do we fix a secret that leaks because it's shared? Here's the clever trick. What if you never gave the website your secret at all? What if you could prove who you are without ever handing over the magic word? The answer is a passkey, but it's really two keys born together as a pair. One is a private key that stays locked inside your phone forever. The other is a public key, a harmless twin you can hand to anyone safely. Now here's the beautiful part. You send the public key to the website and it doesn't matter if everyone sees it. The public key can lock a message, but only its private twin, safe inside your phone, can unlock it again. Remember, nothing secret is ever shared. So when you sign in, the website sends your phone a random puzzle, a fresh riddle it just made up. It says, if you're really you, solve this using your private key. Now that the riddle has arrived, your phone uses the private key to sign the answer, like stamping it with a seal only you own. The private key never leaves. Only the finished, stamped answer travels back to the website. Back at the website, it uses the public key you gave earlier to check the seal. If the seal matches, it knows only your private key could have made it. The door swings open and no secret was ever shared. But what about that sneaky thief in the bushes? Even if they grab everything the website stores, all they find is your harmless public key. Without the private twin locked in your phone, it's just a useless souvenir. So how does your phone know it's really you asking? Instead of a typed word, it checks your face or your fingerprint. Your body becomes the key that wakes the private key, something a thief across the world simply cannot copy. Remember the fake door trick. Passkeys defeat it too. Your phone remembers exactly which website each passkey belongs to. Land on a copycat site and your phone just shrugs. It won't sign a riddle for a door it doesn't recognize. And you're not stuck to one phone. Your passkeys can ride safely in a locked chest to your tablet and your laptop too. Lose a device, and you simply set it up on the next one. Your magic keys were never trapped in just one place. So let's remember the magic. A passkey is a pair of keys. The public twin is shared and harmless. The private twin never leaves your phone. You prove it's you with your face or finger. No shared secret, no leaks, no more forgotten words.